Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Happy. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting. So guys, today I think this is just like random video. I don't know, it's vlog or what, whatever you can call it. I think it's just whatever. So let's go talk about that oil, guys. It's so amazing. That lotion, by the way, not oil, lotion. So it's called Q10 Nivea. I bought that like 39,000. So if you have dry skin, just try that one. It's very nice. So guys, I'm going to remove the sheet, so don't worry, that's why I'm throwing everything on that sheet. So yeah, don't worry guys, I'm going to change it. So guys, I have that lotion called Lemon Vitamin. It's from Zanzibar, so all skin type. So I just bought that to try it, you know. I just want to try a lot of lotion to know which is which. So yeah, I just bought that too. Let me just try it and I can reveal it, then I can tell you what is happening. So guys, I end up changing my bed sheet, so I will clean my room tomorrow. So guys, it's next day and I'm just going to clean my room. Let me just eat my ice cream. I'm having strawberry and vanilla ice cream, so let me just eat it, then I'll see you when I clean my room. So guys, I already cleaned my room, kind of. I don't have reason why I didn't show you. Actually, I don't have reason, let me just be honest. So now I'm just going to separate the bags. I don't know if you call it bags or whatever I can call it, but you see what I'm doing over there. Now I'm going to separate it, and I'm just going to give the lady who I bought a lot of things in her shop. So yeah, I'm just going to call her son so he can come and pick it up. That bag is still new, guys. She can still go and like sell it, you know. She can get some money. So, and I think it's right thing to do. I'm not going to throw all of that in trash. No, I'm not going to do that. So yeah guys, let me just finish it and we'll see what is happening after there, guys.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no.
So guys, it's almost 1 month since I started using the Nivea I showed you earlier. It's very nice lotion, guys. If you have dry skin and you struggle to have lotion, just go and try that. Actually, they didn't sponsor this video. I'm just helping you and tell the truth that is nice, very good lotion. So I recommend that. Just go and try that one. So look, my finger, guys, is so smooth, like even za miguuni, you know, like it's so smooth. It's make like finger mwili, you know, kuwa very smooth, mwili umejaa, you know. Whereas this mafuta ukitumia unakuta vidole vimekonda. That is not nice for you guys. So if you use mafuta and unakuta vidole vimekonda, it means that the lotion you use is not nice for you actually. So yeah guys, that's it. And I was just give that lotion compliment. It's very nice, by the way. Just go and try it if you have dry skin. So yeah guys, and it's nighttime, and nighttime I'm going to have what do you call, maini with chapati, whatever I can call it. So yeah guys,
We can fly again. Been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long.
so guys, I'm going to salon, and you know how we do it in salon. So yeah, I'm sorry guys for this video. It's so randomly, but anyway, I think you enjoy, guys. Next time I promise you I will do better. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. And when I went to supermarket, I got to try another crepes. So yeah, as you can see there. So I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. We are almost in 200 subscribers. So yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.